This is my sanctuary out here. I grow soil. I mix green and brown mulches. I didn't know I liked it. I'm in cardiology. I'm a lot in the XY aneuploidy world and autism, ADHD. And I just see so many people that have passions to do things. We've had the land almost 18 years. Probably 5 years ago was when I realized my passion for restoring the land. We've had so many projects. The problem isn't that we have too many projects. The problem is that the projects needed a permanent infrastructure. Do we need this building? Well, we do, because it costs us so much time and money for each of these projects. I go to a studio and pay per hour and do certain things, but it's time and money. And by the time I get there and do it, I come back and the season's over, and now I've missed my window. So enter the shop. I can store some particular biomass that needs to be in shelter and shade, and our capital equipment. Okay, so I have this great tractor or skid steer, but when I'm paying $5,000 last year for the rabbits and what they had done to the skid steer, we need a place to maintain this expensive capital that we knew we had to have. This building just evolved. We dreamt about it for years. We reworked it. We have gone to so many fairs and stock shows and this and that to find builders. Basically, we've interviewed everyone in the state that could do what we wanted. My husband's in the construction industry, and so the relationships for us are so important. So Seal Structures, we absolutely believed in from the first phone call with Rick Peak, our sales representative. And I've actually met his family. They're lovely. His wife and I have a lot in common. In fact, our children have a lot in common. And it looks absolutely magnificent, but when we looked at other companies, it wasn't like it was that much more extraordinarily priced. My addition were the garage doors. They were a brand new upgrade. This corner you see right here, that's going to be his little Lazy J saloon, garage, shop. I don't know exactly what yet. It's going to be a fun place. My husband actually surprised me with the largest cupolas and the horses in the front. I'm an equestrian, and the horses entering first on the weather vane, and then the eagles. Absolutely love the cupolas. I'd say if you're to do any upgrade, do those and do the large ones. I feel as though a weight has been lifted. Again, the problem isn't I have too many projects. The problem is the projects need so much of what I'm going to be able to do in there. And so I have this one, it's beautiful. And again, we're not really fancy people. It's like, wow, is it really ours? It's like a South Florida barn. But with all of our research and looking around, it's like we were getting quality and style and all, and it wasn't completely unreasonable to have this, say, just a normal pole barn, which this is a pole barn. But wow, right? My vision for the property has to do with land stewardship and community stewardship. I would love to have a nonprofit that employs individuals who want to be outside in the land and not in a traditional sense of an office job, college, what have you. There's plenty of trades that could be learned here. Once we get these projects going, then we can start bringing more people in and create these opportunities and new livelihoods.
And that's your why.
That's my why.